All right, gang. Jesse here at EC Auto Repair. This is a yellow Fiat. Now, I'm not that big of a fan of a Fiat, and I'm definitely not that big of a fan of a yellow Fiat, but that's okay because perhaps this customer absolutely adores and loves this car. I'm sure they probably do, or they wouldn't have it, right? So, but recently we did a video and you guys loved it so much and you got so much value out of it. So we're going to expand on it and take it to a whole nother level of extreme. So the previous video that we shot, and I'll link it in the comments here, was how to drive properly, how to accelerate properly, so on and so forth. So this is a Fiat. It's a 5-speed manual transmission. So a bunch of us new people, like if you're 24 and under, you probably may not even know how to drive a standard. So it's got an extra pedal down here. So there's 3 pedals and one of them's a clutch, right? So anyhow, we'll teach you how to drive a standard at some other point. But anyhow, so I wouldn't. This car just doesn't have much options, right? It doesn't. I'm not seeing how to recline very good. I did figure out how to make the seat go back and forth like this, but you don't want to be sitting so far back that you don't have control of the brakes or that, right? And so you also want to make sure that your orientation is properly, you know, that you got your hands at 10 and at 2, right? And then since this is a standard, you use your clutch to shift between the gears, but you don't want to use your clutch as a footrest, okay? That's really hard on a clutch. Okay, you also don't want to have your orientation wrong and you drive the vehicle from the wrong way, like this. Okay, now this wouldn't even work out great in reverse, would it? No, never drive like this, right? Unless you're on a backhoe, because a backhoe, the seat will spin and you've got levers and controls on the other side. But no, this would not be a great way to drive a car either. So if you thought this was silly, if you thought this was funny, give me a thumbs up, give me a shout out. I'll see you, or maybe I won't. We'll figure out if I can get out of this predicament in the next video.